In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a content calendar in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a simple way to plan, organize, and track your content across different platforms. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Content Calendar, choose a template you like, and add it to your workspace. Replace the sample content with your own posting schedule. Add your content ideas, publish dates, platforms, titles, and any notes you want to track. Customize the database by adding properties such as status, platform, content type, due date, or owner to match your workflow. Use the calendar view to see your publishing schedule at a glance. You can also create additional views such as a board grouped by status or a table for detailed planning. As your schedule changes, drag items to new dates or update their status to keep your content plan organized and up to date. That's how to build a content calendar in Notion. Thanks for watching.